Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. You've pushed me, yeah? Almost, we are almost there, 1,000. So I'm privileged to meet my, is it once they were my, they're still, yeah, I'm still their teacher. So let them introduce themselves. I'll start with Koga.
Hello guys, welcome back to
Nice Mom
channels. Please subscribe to her channel.
Guys, she was almost saying my teacher. Okay, Nice Mom.
Okay, my name is Koga.
Yeah.
That's my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel and support me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Koga, it's like, okay, Joel, Noel, come. You introduce yourself and then we talk.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome
Yes.
back to my teacher's channel.
Nice Mom.
Nice Mom, it is
Yeah.
Nice Mom. So go and consider to subscribe to his channel. He's on the way to road 1,000.
1,000,
I
yeah?
think today we are going to reach that.
Thank you so much,
Yeah, you
Noel.
know when I talk something,
Yes,
they must
It
do-
happened.
it happens.
So you're a prophet.
You're a prophet.
No.
So guys, I'm privileged to host my pupils. This
Yes.
is my channel. Yeah, you know, YouTube is a family thing and it brings us together. So Koga,
Yeah.
how have you started?
How have I started?
Yes, you've opened your YouTube channel.
Yeah, I opened my YouTube channel
How
a
many-
week ago.
A week ago, yeah.
Yeah, right now I have 24 subscribers.
Amazing.
I have 24 subscribers, but
Uh-huh.
I want to reach 1,000. So please support me
Yeah,
as your small girl.
as my daughter.
Yeah, as my mom.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So support her. She's very new into this thing. So just be encouraged. I think you've talked to most of the YouTubers around, or some of them, and they've told you what to do, one or two things. Noel, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes.
You know, right now I'm very happy.
Why?
You know.
Just tell me.
You know
I'm
we
your
have
teacher.
Complete.
He has completed his exam.
Yeah, oh no. And in fact, how comes I did not? Okay. But then I wish you the best. I wish you the best.
No
So what is your plan?
My plan, I am waiting for the result.
Results, yeah?
Yeah, the result, so that we have like 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah, we have like 3 months. So as we are waiting for result and the school which will call us.
Okay, and then you'll just say you're waiting
Yeah.
to join Form 1.
Yeah, so
Okay, yeah.
right now I am doing the content.
Okay, you're creating content.
Yeah.
So at least by
I was not
January,
free.
yes, you're not
Yeah.
free. So you want to use this holiday well, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So Koga, what happened? Why do you like YouTube?
Okay,
Who inspired you?
At first, I
Yes.
wasn't sure about it.
Yeah.
So, first, you inspired me to join
Wow,
YouTube.
me.
Yeah,
Okay.
you inspired me. Second, Chef Matiko.
Okay.
He also inspired me.
Chef Matiko is your cousin?
Yeah, he's my cousin.
Okay.
Third is I am Marwa.
Ayamarwa.
Yeah.
Ayamarwa is inspiration to each and every one of us in the village. Yeah.
So
Yes.
At first, people used to tell me, please join. I was like, me, I can't. I don't have that courage to do those things. Yeah, but
That is
after
how
a while-
that is how you're perceiving yourself. Guys, look at her. So courageous. Look at her. So courageous you
Thank
are.
you.
Yeah. So
yeah, so I just decided, why should I not?
okay.
Yeah, because many people have advised me to do it. So
Okay.
I just woke up another day
And
and
then?
told my mom, I want to do this thing.
Okay.
And she said, yes, you just do it.
She gave you an okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's supporting me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that. I know her. I know she's supportive. To this far you've reached, I know that. Noel Chacha, so what can you tell us? You know, Chacha, you have many subscribers. And you are already monetized. And your teacher here
Yeah.
and your sister
Yeah.
are still, they need help. So
You
what can you
reach.
tell us?
You reach, you continue, yani, eka moyo.
Okay, we should not be discouraged. That is what you're telling us.
Never give up.
Okay, we should not give up.
Yeah.
And then another thing.
Put more video.
You put more
try
videos.
To do shorts.
To do shorts, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Do shorts help?
Yeah. Shorts,
how?
They help you to get subscribers.
Okay. But do...
And even watch out.
Oh, excuse me.
Watch out, but for the 90 days.
For?
After 90 days.
After 90 days. And then after 90 days?
They give you those watch hours.
They give you the watch hours?
Yeah.
I've not got you right. So when I post a short?
When you post a short,
yes,
you can't give the immediate watch hour. No. Wait for the 90 days.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So Koga, are you learning?
Yeah, I'm
yes,
learning.
Even me, I'm learning. That is why I said you're supposed to intermingle with these YouTubers, yeah? Yes. Just be there. Be ready to learn. Yeah?
Okay.
Yes, because even me, I'm learning, guys, yeah? At my age, look at me, guys. I'm learning. My dreadlocks are like this. I was there. I was doing some work there, guys, so I've not done them. So guys, I'm still learning. So for you guys, you're still young. I know you'll be learning so many things. Yeah? So what can you tell my viewers?
Okay.
In that you're my daughter.
Okay. I would like to tell you this.
Yeah.
Nice mom, as a teacher to me and as a mother to me.
Okay.
She's a nice mom.
Okay.
That's why her name is Nice Mom.
Thank you.
Yeah. And she's very supportive. I really like her.
Okay.
So to her viewers, please subscribe her channel and support her more.
Okay.
Yeah, so that she can able to reach what she wants, or the target. Her targets, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. That's a good one. My viewers, have you heard that? That I'm nice. I don't know how this name came about. Okay, Noel.
Yeah.
You are our father here. Guys, Noel is our father here, yeah?
So the earlier I told you that today you are going to reach 1,000. You are in the
900, I think 900 by this time. I checked yesterday. I was 891. But I know by this time I'm there. I'm almost there.
If you will not reach today,
yes,
you will not reach today. You ask me why.
Hey, no, let me just. Can you repeat?
Yeah. So guys, I am doing what? Hey, no.
It's okay. It's okay. You are what? You're doing what?
I am promising him today.
Okay.
I am promising her so that today, if we will not reach 1,000,
yes,
he will come to ask me why.
I'll come. Yeah, I'll come. You know, Noel has stayed on this field for a long time. And you know, when a child blesses somebody like me, yes, then I take it like this. 1,000 subscribers. Amen. Okay, thank you so much. So thank you for allowing to be hosted on my channel. I know you want to go. Where were you going?
Yeah.
You told me you were supposed to go somewhere.
Oh, where?
From here?
Oh, there's another guy waiting there.
Okay, there's somebody who was waiting for you. Okay, so you can just tell my viewers bye. So guys,
yeah,
bye.
We love you so
guys,
much.
Share the video, comment, give the video like, watch the video to the end. Don't skip the ads.
Okay, thank you so much. So go subscribe to them also. In as much as Noel Church has got many subscribers, but guys, me, I have a good heart. Yeah. I have a good heart here. So you can come from my side, go to Kogas, and then go to my never told you are not easy subscriber. So thank you guys. So we can just tell our viewers bye.
Bye.
We love you so much.
We love you all.
Thank you.